Today I want to talk a bit about security. In all the Apple devices you have the password manager, so you can use it to save some website's information, your logins there and website passwords. But what if you have some other sensitive data? You have maybe your door lock, some PIN code for the credit cards, something else which doesn't belong to the website. Well, in this video I will show you how to save and protect this kind of information as well. Hi everyone, I am Luke from Apple Online Academy, channel full of tips and tutorials about macOS, which can help you master your Mac and saves great amount of time. In this tutorial, we are not really saving any time, but we are saving our important data. And these simple tips can be really crucial in saving all of your sensitive data and personal information. But enough talking, let's do it now. We will start with opening the Notes app. Here we will create a new note. You can call it something like passwords, important data, codes and so on. Now type whatever you need here. Maybe save and its number, credit card PIN code, door lock and so on. I think that's it for now. It automatically saves all the changes, so I can close it and once I come back it will be there. The thing is that the Notes app is already attached to your user account, so it seems safe enough. But just imagine the situation you forgot your Mac somewhere and it's open on some public place. So anyone can easily access the notes. So let's add one more layer of the security to protect it better. And it can't be easier than clicking on this icon. It's this lock icon on the top. Once you do that, select Lock Note and it will ask you to set a password and verify it. You can even leave some hint for yourself in case you forgot the password. But be really careful about it. If you really forgot it, you will not be able to open it again. Now confirm it, and it seems that nothing has happened. But if I quit Notes and go back to it, the note is already locked, and I have to enter the password to actually access it. You can lock many notes, as many notes as you want, but they will be all locked with the same password, so it's not a different one for each note. But anyway, it's super easy thing to do to keep your data safe. Now we can move on to the whole documents. You can use the similar thing in Pages, Keynote and Numbers as well. And here it doesn't need to be just some PIN codes, it can be the whole document, maybe some confidential data from your work, bank statements and so on. So this way we can protect the whole file. Let's do it. I will create the document in Numbers. Here I can easily put the data in tables. So we can do something similar like before in the Notes app, including the codes for credit cards, door locks. And here I can even manage it better. I can give it headings, can give it the note, even style it if I want to. But we don't need to bother with this too much. You got the idea. Now it's time to save it. So press Command S or do it from the file menu. I prefer the shortcut Command S. And now as an example I will save it on the desktop so we can clearly see it. Now back to the document and back to the file menu. Down here is option Set Password. It doesn't have any shortcut, so you really need to go in this menu, unless you set your own custom keyboard shortcut. Here is the same as before. Choose your passwords and verify. Good option under here is to tick on this one, to open with Touch ID. So nobody will be able to access this file and it will not be annoying for you to type the passwords every time. Of course it depends, if you have a Mac with Touch ID, you might see it differently here. Anyway, here is the file on the desktop and now it has a padlock on top of it. If I double click it to open it, it's going to ask me for the password. So I need to type it before I can open it. So this way the document is locked and all the data are safe. Unlike in Notes app, you can set different passwords for different documents. But do not complicate it too much, because if you forget it, you will not be able to open it again. But I hope you also didn't forget to leave a like in this video if you find the information useful. And if you enjoy this kind of tutorials, you can subscribe to Apple Online Academy and you will get a lot more of these videos in the future. Anyway, here is Luke and I hope to see you in the next video.